Are you trapped in your own thoughts at night, unable to stop overthinking? Marcus Aurelius had a solution 2,000 years ago, and it still works today. Overthinking makes small problems look huge. We imagine future disasters that might never happen. Do you also get stuck in endless thoughts? Type yes in the comments. Your brain tries to protect you by imagining the worst, but Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." First rule, focus only on what you can control and let go of the rest. Worried about an exam result? The result is not in your control, but your effort is. Second rule, reframe negative thoughts. Every situation has a neutral angle. Marcus wrote, "If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it." This gives you mental clarity. Third rule, journal your thoughts. Writing clears the mind. Write this question: what is in my control? In just 5 minutes, you'll feel lighter. Fourth rule, detach from other people's opinions. You can't please everyone. Marcus said, "Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed." Control what you can, reframe thoughts, journal daily, and detach from others. That's the Stoic formula. What do you overthink about the most? Comment below, I might make a video on it. If you love Stoic philosophy, subscribe and share this video. Bonus tip, don't take your phone to bed. It doubles overthinking. Marcus Aurelius said, "Your mind will take the shape of what you frequently hold in thought." Choose positive thoughts. Your life will change.